This is a video going over an example of solving a quadratic equation with complex roots. Find all complex solutions of x squared minus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. For this kind of question, we are going to use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. For this problem, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 5, and c is equal to negative 5. When substituting these values into the quadratic formula, we get x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 5 divided by 2 times 1. Multiplying two negative numbers together results in a positive number. So negative 5 is the same as positive 5. This also means that negative 5 squared is equal to positive 25. From there, we are subtracting 4 times 1 times negative 5, which is negative 20. So we're subtracting negative 20 from positive 25. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding that number, since when we're multiplying two negatives together, we get a positive number. So this simplifies down to 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 plus 20 divided by 2. This simplifies down to 5 plus or minus the square root of 45 divided by 2. Because 9 times 5 is equal to 45, we can simplify this down even further and say that it's equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 9 times 5 over 2. Since the square root of 9 is 3, this equals 5 over 2 plus or minus 3 times the square root of 5 over 2. So our solutions are x is equal to 5 over 2 plus 3 times the square root of 5 over 2 and 5 over 2 minus 3 times the square root of 5 over 2.